Internet is a fascinating thing, and here are a few tips that makes your internet experience even better. If you ever come across any website that has a paywall and is not letting you read the content, you can use a free Chrome extension called Mercury Reader. While you are on the website, just click on the Mercury Reader icon on the browser and there you go. Everything is available for you to read. If you ever wondered how a website looked back in the day, this is for you. Go to waybackmachine.com, in the search box type the name of the website and select the date from the past. The older version of that website opens up, even the link for the articles are also clickable. Here is a simple trick for you to save your time. While typing the name of the website on your browser, just press Ctrl and Enter. This will automatically complete the full URL for you. If you come across any website which asks you to give your email address to access it, no worries. You can use 10-minute mail, which is a disposable email address, to access that site without risking your personal email address. You can even get the verification codes which are sent to this email address. There are many trackers on the online shopping websites which could increase the price only for you based on your past browsing history. To avoid this and save a few bucks, you can start shopping online using the incognito mode on your browser, which would solve the problem for you. Did you know you can use your browser as a temporary notepad? Just bookmark this page on your browser and you can use it as a simple notepad without leaving your browser. We have mentioned the URL in the description below. For some reason, if the media player on your PC isn't working, you can use your browser to play the video. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts. Like this video and share it to people who might find this useful, and subscribe to Techielot for more such videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.